Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Kartra earnings to US Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Kartra to a US Bank, begin by logging into your Kartra account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section located in the left-hand menu. In this section, locate the Payouts tab and click on it to access your earnings details. Here, you will see your available balance and the withdrawal options. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, click on Add Bank Account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This includes your account number, routing number, and the name on the account. Make sure all details are entered correctly to avoid issues with withdrawals. Once you've filled in your bank account information, save the changes. Now return to the Payouts tab to initiate your withdrawal. Select the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. Review the withdrawal request for accuracy before finalizing it. After confirming your withdrawal, you will receive a confirmation message. Kartra typically processes withdrawal requests within a specific time frame. You will be notified via email once the funds have been transferred to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account to ensure the funds arrive as expected. If you encounter any problems, reach out to Kartra support for assistance. Following these steps will ensure a smooth withdrawal process for your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.